I just want to share with you why the Funnel Academy. The Funnel Academy was built out of passion. My passion to ensure that everyone feels less stress when creating and building their business. And not just funnel building, but really building an online business where the business is booming and thriving. Everyone that I speak to concerning funnel building seems very stressed, tense, and is the less enjoyable part of creating a business. And I want to change that. I want to change the way people feel about building funnels. With me, I see the creativity side of building funnels, and that's what I enjoy the most. So I want to be able to change everyone's perspective from feeling challenged, overwhelmed when it comes to funnel building to the point where they're knowledgeable enough that now it's not challenging anymore. It's not overwhelming anymore. They truly understand and comprehend the purpose of why they're creating the funnel. They're really understanding the concept and they're able to apply it to any business. I want for our members of the Funnel Academy to be able to feel comfortable building funnels where they can even build a business out of it and offer that as a service to help others build their funnels. So I want to thank you for considering becoming a member of the Funnel Academy. This is the member area of the Funnel Academy and where we also hold the training for the Funnel Academy. And this is growing every single day. At the moment, we have 15 modules that we're working with, and every day I am adding content. So this training program is not officially complete. There's a lot of materials already that have been added, but from the time of this video, it's not fully complete and it will never be complete in the sense that this is going to be an approach different from other digital marketing trainings in that it will be constantly updated, meaning that if the platform system.io makes a change, the Funnel Academy will adjust with those changes. So it's going to be evolving every single time, always being updated to the most current stage. We will also have weekly Zoom sessions, and these live Zoom sessions is to answer all of our members' questions, and we'll also have some Zoom live sessions where they're actually live training sessions. We are really raising the bar when it comes to teaching how to build funnels and taking it beyond just creating and building funnels. I want the Funnel Academy also to be fun and exciting. Let's take the fun out of funnel and really make it a great community where we're interacting, we're sharing our funnels. I want to also be able for you to share your funnels in this community and be proud of your creation. Show everyone. I want to create contests for the best creative funnel out there. This is going to be a fun interactive group. And I am so excited for what's ahead for us in our future. Thank you so much for considering the Funnel Academy. I really look forward for you to becoming a member. If someone please sent you this video, please go back to them, go back to that person that referred you to the Funnel Academy, and please purchase from them, from the person that you connect the most. Go ahead and I encourage everyone to just support one another. This is going to be a positive group, and I am so excited for this creation and what's ahead for all of us because together we grow.